Hey guys, what's up? This is Sahil Words, and today I'll be telling you that how you can get your Jio Giga Fiber connection for free for the first 30 days. Okay, so in this video I'll be covering everything about this new plans which have been recently launched by Jio on 1st of September and how you can avail them. Okay, so let's see what are the changes they have made. So first of all, they have divided their options into two part, first and second. So in the first option you are getting 4K setup box and modem. In the second, the 4K setup box is missing. Okay, monthly rental, if you see here, it's zero for the first 30 days in both the plans. One time refundable amount is 2500 for the option 1 and 1500 for the option 2. So this is higher because of the 4K setup box. And speed, if I talk about the speed, so the maximum speed which you can avail in this plan, this 30 days trial plan, is 150 Mbps maximum. Okay, that means if you want to avail this offer for the 1 Gbps plan, so it's not possible. Up to 150 Mbps only it's possible. Okay, and if I talk about the data they have written here, it's truly unlimited, but it's not totally unlimited. By truly unlimited they means the 33,000 GB per month. That means around 3 TB per month. Okay, but it's really very much usually no one use such high amount of data in a month. I also used about I had an unlimited plan and I used about 500 to 600 GB only, and I used to really download and upload a lot and also stream a lot. Okay. So now let's come on to the OTP app subscription included. So it will be only available with the option 1, since the option 2 does not have a 4K setup box. So you will get the subscription of Disney Plus Hotstar, Geo Cinema, Z5, Sony Live, Alt Balaji, Sun Next, and these all. Okay, and if I talk about the voice, it's free. Okay, you can just use your landline and you will get the free voice. Okay, so this landline is not included in the plan, so you have to purchase it by your own. Okay, so now let's come on to the plans which you can avail in this free 30 days trial pack. Okay, so you can just avail up to, see, these three plans only you can avail. First is bronze, second is silver, and the third is gold. Okay, so you can use any of the plan in this first 30 days trial pack. So this 399 plan is the new plan. Other one was the old one only. Okay, so they have given the new plans which in which they are providing up to 30 Mbps speed. Okay, and they have unlimited voice. And if I talk about the OTT subscription, so it is only included it in gold plan. Okay, which you can see for 999. So if you want to just choose the option 1 also, then you need to choose gold plan also, otherwise you won't get the full, you won't be able to use the 4K setup box because you won't be getting any OTT app subscription, and without these it's just totally useless. Now this was all about the plans and the options. Now I will be telling you that how you can book. So booking is very easy. You just need to click on book now. Okay, and you will just get give your name and phone number, and they will give your phone number and name to the nearest possible Geo Giga Fiber service provider, and they will call you, and within 3 days maximum you will get your Geo Giga Fiber connection at your home. Okay, so you have to put your name, number, generate OTP, put OTP, and they will call you back anytime. Now let me tell you about some terms and condition of that free 30 days trial and other conditions also which are available with the new plans. So first of all, the prices which I told you, you have to just include the 18% GST also in it. So your 399 plan will be about 472 per month. Okay, so these are just basic. And the second one is consumer need to activate Amazon Prime and Netflix for the first use in Geo STVs. Okay, so you have to activate it by your own, whether they will give you the activation key or something. And the third point is that all plans have symmetric upload and download speed. That means you will get the same upload and download speed. Okay, so there won't be any alteration between the upload and download speed. So let's just read about the terms and condition. Okay, so voice is truly free, and they have told you about the tariff also. Okay, GST it's 18%. So let me just come on to the part which is useful, because these are just basic ones. Okay. Yes, so the 14th part is important. So many have question about that, whether they are going to give back the 1,000 rupees installation charges that they were charging before, and it was not refundable. So is it refundable this time in this free 30 days trial pack? So the answer is yes, because they have clearly mentioned in their 14 point that one time refundable amount includes the deposit for devices and advance towards the installation services, that is rupees 1000, and it is only refundable if the service is discontinued in the 30 days trial pack among the upon return of devices in a working condition. So first point is that you will get your whole money back, okay, with installation charges, only if you return the device in the working condition before 30 days. And the last point you can see over here, as I already told you, the truly unlimited plans basically means the 3300 GB per month. Okay, so I hope I cleared all your doubts, and if you still have any doubts, you can always mention in the comment section. I always answers to my subscribers and viewers. I never leave a comment without answering. And do use this plan. This is a great 30 days offer. I'll also try, and I'll make another video also that how is the installation process. Okay, so when I just uh, get the connection, at that time I'll make that video. Okay, and if you find this video useful and helpful, and if you also want your friends and family to get this free Geo Giga Fiber connection for the 30 days, so kindly share with them also, so that they also avail the benefit of this Geo Fiber. And thank you guys for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Okay guys, goodbye.